It's Fumani Mtombeni, and I'm with our best director in the world, Spiwe Makeleni. I don't want to interject on Umtetwa. Umtetwa is a Katsande on steroids, a Katsande that's mature. My brother, don't kill me for these words, but I would like to say that, I'm proven wrong. Umtetwa was playing forward passes as I asked him to. My prediction, I would say it could be a draw. It could be a draw, whether 1-1 draw, or we can have Kaizer Chiefs winning this one 2-1, depending on who's starting the 11. If Serino starts this 11, it's going to be hard for Kaizer Chiefs to win this match. But if he's on the bench, I'm giving it a 2-1. If he starts the match, it's going to be a 1-1.
Okay, so me, I'm giving both. There's a possibility that both teams might score.
Yeah.
A draw, if not a 1-0.